Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You must start on a desktop web browser signed into the Google account that owns the item. Once there, open Drive. Google.com and navigate directly to the file or folder that lists the email you want removed. Make sure you see the sharing icon or the blue shared indicator. This confirms share settings are active. Then click the file once to reveal the info pane on the right. This first action readies you to inspect permissions and perform the only correct removal method. Open the Share dialog by selecting the file and clicking the Share button. This shows people with access and link settings. Once you see the email listed, click the three dots or the Access dropdown adjacent to that address. You can either change the role to viewer or commenter if limited, but the only full removal is to hit Remove. Click Remove, then Save or Done. This revokes access immediately. Make sure the email disappears from the list before closing the dialog. Finish by refreshing Drive and reopening the Share dialog to confirm the email is gone. This prevents cached displays from misleading you. If the address persists, inspect parent folders. Permissions can inherit from a shared folder, so remove it at the folder level or disable link sharing. If you lack owner rights, sign in as the owner or request owner action. Alternatively, reshare the file with a temporary permission, then remove it to force update. This ensures the email.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.